Hi all, in this video I am going to explain one Python program which has been asked me in the interview. Find missing positive number from given list. Okay, this was the list given. So this was the combination of both positive and negative numbers. I should find out missing positive number from this list. Okay, so here I have break down this whole program into different scenarios, what things we can do to get the result. So first thing what we should do is this is the combination of both positive and negative numbers, right? So we should remove the negative numbers. So what are the negative numbers? -1 and 3 are the negative numbers. So we should create a separate positive list after removing this -1 and 3 negative numbers. So we will get one different positive list. This is what the positive list. Okay. Next one is I am applying sorting for this list. I'm sorting the list. Why I'm sorting is, so we will be, if you sort, it will be easy for us to identify the maximum number from the list. Because of this reason we are sorting the list. So if we did not sort the list, it will be difficult for us to loop and identify the maximum number. So we are sorting the list. So after sorting, this will be our result. So then what I am doing, I am finding the maximum number from the list. Maximum number is what? 5. This is our result now. So next one, I am comparing after finding this maximum number. So I will be able to create natural list from 1 to till the maximum number. Natural list means 1, 2, 3 up to 10. These all numbers are called as a natural numbers. So after finding the maximum number, I will be able to get natural list from 1 to till 5 maximum number. This is what list, natural list I got. So this natural list I am comparing with the sorted list. So if I compare this natural list with the sorted list, so I will be able to find the missing number from the list. This is what, let's start writing the program. So this is what our list, right? So I have added one extra number here, so it will be easy for us to understand the differences. So in this positive list there are two missing numbers. So one is 2 and 6. I am creating one empty list. Okay, this is what our empty list. We are iterating from first element to till end, and we are checking whether there are the negative numbers or what. So for that iteration, for I is the variable I'm taking, in which list we are iterating? Nums list, right? Nums list I'm iterating. Here I'm using if condition. If I is greater than 0, then only it should enter the loop, because I want positive numbers, right? So which number is greater than 0, only it should enter the loop and it should add into the list. So first number is a negative number. So I greater than 0, is it true or false? It is false. So again loop will iterate. Loop will increase to 2. What is the second element? -3. -3 is greater than 0. Condition is false. Again it will iterate. What is the next element? 5. 5 is greater than 0. Condition is true here because 5 is greater than 0. So what should happen? It should enter the loop. So if it enter the loop, then what we should do? We should create a new list, positive list, right? So what is our empty positive list? Positive. Dot. How we can add the element to the list? By using append method. Open and closing bracket. Which element we are adding? I, right? Enter the loop. Okay. Next one, I will be increased. So next element is 1. 1 greater than 0. Condition is true. So keep on adding. If we found again any negative numbers, so it will exclude. I mean, it just exit from the if condition. here what I'm doing, I'm printing positive numbers. So print positive. Okay, run. Now we can see we got only positive numbers. First step is sorting the list. So to apply the sorting on the list, we have a method called sorted. So to sorted, I'm applying in this print itself. So run. Now we can see our list is sorted. So list is a mutable. So whatever element adding, deleting, whatever things we are applying on that particular list, it's affect on the original list itself. So it is not required to create a new list every time. So I applied the sorting on the same list itself. Okay. Now till this much we reached. Now next thing is what? Finding the maximum number. So what I will do, I will create one more variable, max. Okay, from which list I am creating the maximum number? From positive list. So I hope everyone knows about the slicing. I will make a separate video on slicing on the list, so it will be helpful for you to understand it easily. So now I am using -1. I write a slicing -1. So it means that we are identifying the last element from the given list. So if it is a positive, from left to right it will identify. If it is a negative, it will iterate from right to left. Okay, now -1. So it will identify the last element. So -1, run. So we got 7 number here. Okay, now this I will create a variable max. Sorry, max equal to. Okay, now what will be the result here? 7, right? So this much we got for j. So what I'm doing, with the help of this maximum value, I am able to find out or create a natural list from 1 to till maximum number. So if I create this natural list, I will be able to compare this natural list with this positive number. So what I can do is j in what? Range from which number to which number? From 1 to max. Okay, from 1 to maximum number I am creating the list. What list we got now? From 1 to till maximum number 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 7. I am comparing my natural list which is not in this list. Not in which list? Positive list. Okay, positive list. After finding, comparing which is not in list, what I have to do? Print the list. Print j. Which numbers are not there in the list? 2 and 6. Okay. This is what the output. And sometimes they will ask, keep in mind. So now you can see 2 and 6 are not there in the list. List means it should display in the square bracket. These are not there in the list. I have just displayed as j. So it is displaying separately. So if they ask you to find out the missing list from the list, they will ask. In that case, what you have to do? You have to create a separate list saying missing, create one empty list, then you will be able to add these values into missing list. Append one bracket j. Print this missing list. So like this also they will ask. I hope you all understood. Thanks for watching my video, and if you have any doubts related to Java or Python, you can comment me in the comment box. Definitely I will try to make video on those. Thank you.